extra things.
Everybody can work hard.
Right.
Everybody can earn a spot. Everybody can move. So there's things that can happen. Step back, ball, cross.
Holy crap.
Oh, what did she do?
Hannah's
Okay, we need a medic.
Sean. Oh, no.
I'm going to go check on Hannah and Ian.
We need
A doctor?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm like, this is my child, not a TV show. Okay, it's okay. We need an ambulance. We need an ambulance. Her toenail's gonna come off. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm not a doctor, I'm a mom. It's day 2 of rehearsals, and Hannah snagged her toe on the tape of the Marley and ripped her toenail off.
Your finger was pointed, that won't happen. It's the flexing.
We need
A doctor?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. I mean, she's gonna lose a toenail, which is fine. I'm losing it. I'm so upset for her because in my mind I'm thinking Abby's gonna take her out of the dance, and everybody's feeling this pressure that we have to do everything and we have to do it right, and if we don't, then we could be sent home. And Hannah would be devastated.
She's on the bottom of the pyramid, so if she's not in the dance and she doesn't have a solo, what does that mean?
All right, this is the doctor.
Hi. My daughter, hey guys, first
The doctor's on the phone.
I guess she stubbed her toe and her toenail's coming off. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Probably better just take it all the way off.
Right. Do I need to take her to have somebody check it out?
No, not at all.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you. It's good?
Good. Now we just got to do a little more.
The worst part's over.
I called and put a doctor on speakerphone.
It's like Grey's Anatomy.
Right.
Take the straw, slit the neck.
Hey, come here. I love you. I believe in you. Let Brady give you a piggyback seat for a little bit. But walk in the door, okay? Yeah. Poor kid, right?
Does it still hurt?
Okay, you can talk about that, yeah.
My toe is really sore, but it doesn't hurt to the extent that, like, I can't dance anymore.
Okay, I think Hannah wants to dance. She wants to be part of the group, right?
Right.
But I can't have a weak warrior.
Right.
The whole dance is about going into battle. You know what they do when a horse breaks its leg?
Yeah, they kill it.
They take it outside and kill it. You didn't know that? That's what happens.
She's going to do what she needs to do for you. I believe in her.
Yeah? Okay, if you say you can dance, then